Service in La Crosse has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Juneau County in central Wisconsin, northeastern Vernon County in southwestern Wisconsin, southeastern Monroe, west central Wisconsin, until 12:45 p.m.
What the hell is that?
At 12:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cashton, or 14 miles northeast of Viroqua, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, at 12:03 p.m. law enforcement reported multiple trees down near Westby. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Elroy and Hillsboro around 12:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Rockton, Oil City, Wildcat Mountain State Park, Barton's Corners, Union Center, Johnson Hill, and Glendale. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.